How you doing? My name is Bob Scanlon, the owner of the Box Shop here at 740 North H Street, where we handle UPS, Federal Express, DHL, on-track, postal service. If you need it packed and shipped, bring it here. Been in business for 27 years and continuing to grow. At our new location, again, on the corner of Pine and H Street, across the street from Vaughn's grocery store. Have questions on how to pack that special item? Bring it in. We'll give you all the advice you'll need. We carry over 1,000 sizes of boxes in stock. Bubble wrap, styrofoam peanuts, tape, fragile, breakable, no problem here. For stamps, mailbox rental, notaries, packing materials, copies, passport photos, and of course, secure document shredding, come see me, Box Shop Bob. Big or small, we'll ship it all. Come to the Box Shop, 740 North H Street, Lompoc.